So today we have got 9A mobile phone and I have to change the display of this mobile phone. You can see the display is not working of this mobile phone. Already I have opened this phone of back panel and I am trying to switch on, but it is not switching on, and because of this the display of this mobile phone has been died. So because of this it is not working. So now I have to change the display, and before changing the display I have to open some components like this, and already I have opened. So I will not let you, and you will enjoy the video. So definitely I am doing these things, and one component is all enough in this section for also I mean to say. And I opened all the mobile phones components, and like I have to open the charging sections as well. And I guess battery I do not need to remove the battery because it is separate folder, and I have to push little bit to folder, so automatically our folder will release like this. And I have to check the 4 layers of edge of this frame, so it is dirty or not, and it has dust, so definitely I have to clean this like this. I have to clean, it has dust. And when it is frozen, so we need to clean the edge of frame, and it is called frame. You already know, I think, if you are a professional repair person, so definitely you know already. And like all these layers and all these edges I have to clean. So in very quickly way I will clean it. So you can see edge of this frame, definitely it is clean. And now I have to fix the folder, and before fixing the folder, once we need to check this it is working or not. This is folder I have, the company of Nexa, and it's also good company. And mostly I do not use this folder, but sometime I use if it is working for as a set to work on mobile phone. So lots of Nexus folders doesn't do not work in mobile phone. So but in this mobile phone it is 9A, so definitely it will be working. Okay, so I'm checking the folder, it is working or not. Like we have to fix it like this, and yes, is it okay? Okay, sure, it is fixed. And I have to switch on. Oh, already my battery is was put it on the battery connector, so it is on automatically. And like this I have to check the all the touch, it is working or not. Whole touch I have to check, like clicking on the button like this, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 star hash 0 hash. And yes, so that is properly working. And we should change the folder of this mobile phone. Please guys, ensure before fixing the folder you need to understand the layer of this this folder, like this tab, and you have to remove this layer. And I remove it. Okay, okay, and I have to stick like this. When we do this thing, so our folder work very properly, and touch, it is not, touch does not work automatically if we do not fix. So mostly 90% our touch works automatically, and we have to change the folder, or we need to remove the folder and we stick it again. So in this situation it is a very difficult situation, and it could be maybe, I think, harmful for us, because it may be our folder could be damaged. Okay, so this is adhesive, and also we call it glue in repairing section. I mean to say in repairing industry exactly. And I fix it. Before fixing, I have to spread this glue on corner of this frame. So I have to spread the glue whole frame, border of whole frame. So I need to fix it, and this is folder, and I am going to fix it like this. Yes, this thing remove करना है ना. Okay, so like we have to tighten it all this to. So and now we will check our phone is working or not. And before so guys, we have switch on our phone, and it is processing, and then we will check it's that's working or not. And in between we have to tie and the rubbers, yes, like this. So guys, it is completed, and also this is also has been completed. So thank you so much for watching this channel, and if you like this channel, so please do subscribe this channel, and we will be making next one. Thank you so much.